Yes, good morning, YouTuber. I'm about to do some stir fry this morning, and I have this stir fry. What I'm gonna do with some noodles and all this stir fry, right? See that? That's what I'm gonna do. This is the stir fry that I'm gonna do. Okay? You can see them. This stir fry. This is the stir fry, right? And I'm putting in the mixed vegetable. I don't have the frozen. I'm gonna use the tin. And this is the seasoning that I cut up. You can see I cut up some chicken breast. That's breast. The chicken breast. Breast I cut up. Right? Okay. That is the breast I cut up. And sis, I cut up 2 breasts in there already. So I'm using the soya sauce, browning, and you can see lots of seasoning, garlic, pepper, thyme, scallion, and lots of garlic, sweet pepper. And that's the way I do it. I'm putting in ginger powder. All purpose, my seasoning that from Jamaica, I put in this tin, and you can see it. Garlic powder. I have garlic powder over here, right? And this is the ginger powder. Yes. Okay, so this is the way I do my stir fry. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her thing. Some stir fry this morning. You can see that's my tea over there. That's my tea. That's my cup over there. Yes, so I would like you to like it, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to it. Like up, subscribe to the channel, right? Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking channel. Like up, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget, touch the notice button. And I'm doing it this way, in God's ways. So like it. God bless channel, right? God provide. Yes, thank you. And this is the way I do it. A little short video, right? The soya sauce and the browning. Okay, so just like up the channel and subscribe to it. Tell a friend to tell a friend.